Hello friends, you are watching I Think channel. Today I am going to tell you about Harvard University's 72 free premium courses. Through these premium courses, you can upgrade your skill in this lockdown period. So first of all, I want to tell you some key points of these free courses. All courses are totally free of cost. There are total 72 premium courses. Anyone can apply, anyone from any background. No deadlines is there, and you can download all these videos and you can watch it at any time, anywhere. So let's start. Okay, first go to Google and type Harvard University. Then the official page of Harvard University will open. Look, just click on it, Harvard University. Then this is the Harvard University official page. Just go down and there you can see view courses. Then just click on view all courses. Here look, there are lots of subjects of area like art and design, businesses, computer science, data science, education and teaching, health and medicine, humanities, mathematics, programming, science, social science, anything in wherever you want to upgrade your skills or you want to take the courses, just choose any of these category and you can take the free courses. Okay, so just click on view all courses and look at this price option. Just click on free. Look, there are total 72 courses are available now on Harvard University page. Just look here. These all the courses like game development, web programming, mobile app development, then lesson from Ebola. These all the health departments, and these are computer science department like introduction to computer science, non-profit financial, and look, this is the religious literacy. All kind of courses are available in this website. Just go to the second page. Look here, all the courses you can actually check out and you can choose in wherever you want to take the courses. So let's see, I'll tell you how to download the videos and how to register. So just click on this and look here, all the information about these courses. The duration is 11 weeks long. Look, this is the introduction to computer science courses. Okay, I'm taking this. I am going to register on this. So I'm just showing you how to register. So the full duration is 11 weeks. Time is near about 10 to 20 hours per week, and subject is programming. Course language is English, obviously. Then platform edX. Yeah, this is a platform actually, edX platform. On this platform actually you are going to watch all the videos. The topics will be covered in this course is computer science, data structure, algorithms, programming, SQL, C, Python, CSS, HTML, JavaScript. Okay, so you can actually read this course description, and now just click on take course. Then edX website will be open, so you can see this website. Here also the same information is given. So look, here is the one important thing. Look, this course is totally free. Yeah, 100% free. But if you want to take the certificate of this course, you have to pay $90. Look, this is totally optional. If you want to just upgrade your skill or you want to know something, you want to read something, then take this course with free of cost, no need of certificate. But if you want to take the certificate, then you have to pay $90, but it's totally optional. So now just click on register. Here actually you can sign in through Facebook, Google, Microsoft account. So I'm going for Google. I'm choosing my account. Look, so actually I already registered in this program. So here they are showing the resume course, and here you can actually click on explore new courses. Look, just click on search button, like look at the course name CS50. So just type CS50 on the search button and search. So look, here is my course. Just click on it, and here the enroll option will come. Actually I told you I have already registered, so here the option is coming, this view the course. So click on view course. Look, if you come down, click on next, explore the course. Look, week 0, week 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 8 weeks the course is totally completed. So no problem, you can go to week 0, and look, here is the video. Here is the total video of week 0. So look, here is the best part, you can download the video files. Okay, so you can watch it at any time. So that's all friends. You can actually enroll in these all courses and you can upgrade yourself. So see you in the next video. Take care, bye.